Want to know what affects your credit score? Let's break down the main factors. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll explain the key credit score factors on Credit Karma so you understand how your score is calculated. Step 1. Payment history. This is the biggest factor. Always pay your bills on time to avoid negative marks. Step 2. Credit utilization. Keep your credit card balances low, ideally below 30% of your credit limit. Step 3. Length of credit history. The longer your accounts have been open, the better for your score. Step 4. New credit. Opening many new accounts in a short time can lower your score. Step 5. Credit mix. Having a variety of credit types like credit cards, loans, and mortgages helps your score. Quick tip. Regularly review your credit report on Credit Karma to spot any surprises early. Like this breakdown? Please like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more credit tips. Thanks for watching.